Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade cake flour with just 2 organic ingredients. Whether you're mid-recipe and you run out of cake flour, or you just want to make your own with organic ingredients, this recipe is quick and easy to make, and you only need 2 things. Let me show you guys how to make it. So my cake flour tub is getting pretty low, so we're gonna fill this up. So I always make my own homemade organic cake flour because I can't find a good organic cake flour to buy. While I can find organic pastry flour, which is very similar, they're usually made with a whole wheat flour, so they end up being a little bit darker in color. So when I want a traditional cake flour that's a little bit lighter in color, then I always make this recipe. So all you need to make organic cake flour at home is your favorite all-purpose flour and then some organic cornstarch. So the difference between all-purpose flour and cake flour is just the protein content. All-purpose flour has a little bit higher protein content and cake flour a little bit lower. That's what gives it that light and tender crumb, which makes it perfect for baking cakes. So we're going to mimic cake flour by using all-purpose flour and then a little bit of cornstarch. Adding in this binding agent is actually going to lower the gluten formation, which is going to actually lower the protein content of the flour. And then our homemade cake flour will work and act just like traditional cake flour in any recipe you guys want to use it in. So I like to make my cake flour directly into my tub because it makes it quick and easy, but you guys could also do this in a mixing bowl too. Just make sure you have somewhere to store it. So I always weigh everything for the best results, especially for this recipe. I highly recommend using a digital food scale. So first we're going to add in our all-purpose flour. And then next we're going to add in our cornstarch. And now if you guys are avoiding corn or you don't want to use cornstarch, you can use another binding agent, such as tapioca starch, arrowroot, or even potato starch. So now all we have to do is whisk up the flour and the cornstarch. And that is it. We have just made organic homemade cake flour, and it took all of 2 minutes and just 2 ingredients. You guys can store this in your pantry like you would any other flour. And you guys can use this in any recipe that calls for cake flour. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more baking tips just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.